This is the BRIGHTWORLD moon lamp. Now I've done a BRIGHTWORLD moon lamp, or two different ones before. This one is a newer model that also comes with a remote, and the stand's a little bit different. It's more like a hand. Now it is rechargeable, so if I unplug it, it will still stay on. And there's a little button on the bottom that you can actually control it with your finger. Now you can't do as many things as you can with like the remote, but you can control it to an extent. So we have our remote, pretty simple. But you could control the different colors that you wish. You could also do different things, like you could do flashing. You could do like fade in and fade out. And if you want, you can just do a white. Now with the white, the ball itself is still multicolored, so it's not going to really do anything for you. Personally, I'm a fan of the green. The green and the red. Those are my two favorites. Anyway, this is the 3D moon from BRIGHTWORLD. And these things last a long time. I still have a couple from a couple years ago. Great gifts.